Say we want to calculate integral of square root of x squared minus 25 over x dx under assumption that x is bigger than 1. We want to do substitution. X equals to 5 secant theta. Then dx will be 5 tangent theta secant theta d theta. So if we do that substitution, we're going to get integral of 5 secant theta squared minus 25 over 5 secant theta, and dx becomes 5 secant theta tangent theta d theta dx. So secant and secant cancels out, 5 and 5 cancels out. Now let's look at that expression under square root. So we have square root of 25 secant squared theta minus 25, copy tangent theta, right? Then 25 secant squared minus 25, 25 times secant squared minus 1, secant squared minus 1 is tangent squared, so we're going to have square root of 25 is 5. Square root of tangent squared will be absolute value of tangent times tangent theta d theta in integral. Now, because x is bigger than 5, secant is positive, so we can choose angle to be between 0 and pi over 2. So we choose an angle between 0 and pi over 2. And because we're doing that on that angle between 0 and pi over 2, tangent is going to be positive. Absolute value of positive is the number itself, expression itself. So we have integral, take 5 out, absolute value of tangent is just tangent, tangent times tangent, tangent squared, d theta. Recall that tangent squared equals to secant squared minus 1. Antiderivative secant squared is tangent. Antiderivative 1 is theta. Now all that is left to do is just do back substitution. X equals to 5 secant theta. So I'll erase the intermediate. And x over 5 equals to secant theta. So cosine theta equals to 5 over x. So I will draw a reference triangle. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so missing side is x squared minus 25 under square root. So from here we can get as a final answer 5. Tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Square root of x squared minus 25. Adjacent is 5. Plus, minus theta equals to, comes from this angle, cosine theta equals pi over x, or 5 over x, so theta equals cosine inverse of 5 over x plus c. Maybe simplify that expression a little bit by distributing 5 to both of them. So the final answer is going to look something like this. Square root of x squared minus 25 minus cosine inverse of 5 over x over 5 plus c. If we want to calculate integral of expression which involves something with square root of x squared minus a squared, we do substitution. X equals to a secant theta. Now we're going to use a dx equals to a secant theta tangent theta d theta. And we're also going to use that x squared minus a squared is going to give us a squared tangent theta squared. So from here we're going to get that square root of x squared minus a squared is going to give us a absolute value of tangent theta. Here we are assuming that a is positive, and that will be plus or minus tangent theta. You always want to pick tangent theta to be positive, but essentially that's the substitution which you're going to do. So